pleased to announce to you that I'll be dropping more cooking videos because you guys inspired me. May the Lord go with y'all. Let's go, let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna touch is this cleaned and already seasoned curry chicken that was marinating for hours and ready to be cooked. Just mix this up a little and set it aside since it was in the refrigerator. So we just want it to go back to room temperature before I start. Did I mention that we was cooking rice and peas curry chicken with steam mixed veg? Yes, so we got the peas. The peas also was soaking overnight, and as you can see, the garlic starts shooting up. Yes, I like to do it this way. It makes the peas easier to cook, or I'm just old-fashioned because that's all my mom do it. So I'm gonna prep the veggies in the meantime, and we have kalaloo, we have pop choy. We're gonna also add some carrots, some string beans, and some green peas to this. I'm just chopping up the veggies while the peas cook and getting the spices in place. I tell y'all to be careful while doing this if you're cooking and watching me, of course, but I'd love to believe we already know that, okay? So what's going on, guys? Let me know if y'all like curry chicken and rice and peas together. I know most people love curry with white rice. Well, not me, unless it's jasmine white rice. Over to our peas, and the peas is boiling, but of course it's not there yet. People would more likely pressure this, so if you have a pressure cooker, of course do so. I don't have one of those, so I'm doing it the way that I can. Now it's time to get into the veggies and get them out of the way once and for all. And if I'm not sounding my best at the moment, guys, it's because I'm not feeling so well. Just pulling through for y'all who are waiting for an update. For the veggies, a tablespoon of oil, a little garlic powder, some Maggi, and some spices, a little black pepper. I didn't do much. I like my veggies really simple. This is what the veggies is looking like. Really beautiful, really colorful. I love it. So delicious. Yeah. Time to get started with the meat. The peas is boiling. Yep. The peas is already cooked. Almost. I'll be adding butter and my green onion with thyme. This is how I love my rice and peas. A little bit of liquid ginger since I don't have ginger. I just like my rice and peas with a little scent of ginger. It makes such of a difference. Time for the coconut milk. Well, coconut cream. This is so thick, and I just mixed coconut powder, guys. Yes, I won't be ruining my nails with no coconut. Time for one of my favorite parts, and this is the pepper. A quart of a big Scotch bonnet pepper, seed and all. And guys, I normally use one whole Scotch bonnet pepper, but the way peppers skyrocket, I can't, not at the moment. And of course we have limited pepper, okay? So give it a stir, then we're gonna close the pot and let all of that herbs and spice boil with the peas and the coconut milk. And then of course we're gonna come back, add our rice and a little salt. Yeah, got to make sure we burn the curry a little so it don't run my belly. If you're a Jamaican, you just know. If you know, you know, and if you don't, well, go back to the drawing board, come again. time to add our rice to this beautiful pot right now. I did forget to add a few pimento seeds, so I did went in adding those off camera. Alright, so the peas is cooked. The peas is soft to my liking. Alright, so I'm gonna add salt. As you can see, the curry chicken is coming together nicely. Okay guys, so this is the end result of the rice and peas. I made it a little more on the moist side this time because I was having it with the curry chicken. And this is, oh, I love it. I don't know about y'all, but depending on what I'm having my rice and peas with, that will determine if I love it shelly or on the moist side. So that's me. I don't know if others can relate. Curry chicken. I added some sliced potatoes and carrots to thicken up the gravy. Oh, that's some rich. That's some rich curry chicken right here. Ooh. But nonetheless, this is a beautiful, delicious. Oh my god, the aroma in this kitchen is ridiculously sweet. It's so sweet, delicious. So we finished the veggies, the rice and peas, and now we're finished with the curry chicken, and it's time to see it all plated up and ready to be devoured. Are you ready? I am. Wow. You know what? Let me give this plate a moment to itself. I'll be back. Guys, thank you for watching. Leave me a like if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about my food. Subscribe if you haven't as yet. Can't wait to see you next one. Bye. But she's still gonna hold on.